Today in I Am Cat VR, going to do a bit of cat. What the? My controls are swapped. Anyway, so right here, right now, we're at Granny's house. Wait a second. Wait, fast time stopping. Easy! Okay. Wait a minute. Oh, shoot! Oh, gimme. Meow. I don't want to do this. Alright. I've noticed there's a switch in the oven. So, let's glitch through and see what it is! Does it even work? No, it doesn't. Okay. We're back out. Okay, this game got a bit confusing. Bro, why is Luna calling me while I'm recording the video? Anyway, let's go. I crashed the game. Oh my god. Also, I've discovered a glitch in I Am Cat today. Let me show you. I launched. Look. I launched Granny! To where? To the living room! Bro! Oh my god! I don't know if I could do that. Notifications! On my phone! I Am Cat. Oh. Also, I'm on like a quest 2, not a quest 3. So, yeah. That was expecting for the game to crash. Alright, let's. Oh, yeah, you might be thinking, how did I get to the streets? Well, guess what? There's a glitch you can go early! Let me show you. So, right here, I could go through here. Jump! And we go like right here, and then jump, boom. We're at the room, and then boom to the streets. Go! Let's go. Alright. What streets? What tasks do we have to do? Troublemaker. Okay. Go! 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 What is this place? Ugh, it's not locked. There's no way to enter, but let's see what it is! Yeah! Wait a second. Wait a minute. What happens if we just do this? It breaks the game. Nothing happens. We're okay. I think it will add these things once into the new Minecraft. I mean, I Am Cat update. Sorry, I'm used to Minecraft. Let's go. Boom. Water. Hey, doggo, remember me? You've been attacked by a lot of YouTubers. But guess what? I am one of them. Ha! Wait a minute. We gotta make him awake. Let's go! Imagine I could do a dog backflip. That would be crazy. Ice cream. Sorry, but the ice cream machine is broken. McDonald's has that problem. Bye. Okay, let's go. Let's see Grandpa. I've seen the videos about Grandpa and I am cat. Wait a minute. Wait, this is where the iPhone trailer happens. Well, watch it. Stairs fast glitch. Anyway, Grandpa, I wanted to meet you for so long. Not gonna lie. But I've been only seeing Granny since early release. Yeah, I got this game on early release. Wait a minute. Bro doesn't even care. Stop drinking your coffee! Wait, can bro even wake up? Wait a minute. No, you're even still happy. Nice! Anyway, let's continue on. Wait, I want to meet the other person like the other YouTubers have done. Let's go! Ah! Oh my god, I almost fall. Oh my god, no. Oh my god. I fell. This is just great. Wait a minute. But anyway, let's moving on. Yeah! Boom, bing, boom, bing, ba, bing, boom. Bing, 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 boom. There you are! I see you up here. Let me just climb up to get you. Bing, boom, bing, bam, bing, boom, bing, bing, boom, bing, boom, bing, bing, no missing it, boom, bing, go see. Beep, 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 boom, 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 bing, boom, bing, bam, bing, bing, boom. Bing, boom, bing, boom, bing, boom. Bing, bam, boom, bing. Bam! Bing, boom, bing, boom, bing, boom, bing. Is that what I think you're having right now, bro? Nah, get that away. Nah, bro. You're not using that? You know what? Also, you. No! Oh my god, bro. Moving on. Ha! Wait, spikes. I'm invincible. Nobody can bring me down. Also, I've noticed glitches on the wrench. I gotta get to the wrench though. Go back to the garage. To the garage. I almost fell. That's Granny's house. I want to be at the garage. You know what? Then I'll put my garage myself. Hello, robot? Or Cosmo? Get out of my way. We gotta go to the garage. Oh my god, news break! You came at the wrong time. Wait a second. How did the car survive? Oh, wait, I already saw that. Wait, well, guess what? I want to do something with this car. I want to destroy it. And I know how. Don't be happy. Okay. Alright, this should throw. Okay, now. Okay, there, we got a wrench. Now, watch this. We're working on it. We're flying on the wrench. Like we're a witch. Wee. Ha ha ha. Wait, let's try to go through. I even knocked the person out. We are the ultimate flyer here. Okay, let's get untrapped. That means I have to glitch through here. Ow! I hit myself with the thing. Let's go back to our magical wrench. Go! Wee! 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 Oh my god! 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 What the? What? Okay, let's continue on. Okay, let's go to the vents if we can. Yeah, let's go. Among Us. Wait a minute. Wait, let's go back to Granny. I want to do something with her. Ew! What are you?
Caleb, your volume unacceptable. Fix it.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Is the Wi-Fi fixed?
Not yet, buddy.
Up. Continuing on. Alright. You were on! You were on! You were on, Cosmo! You were on! Don't be mad at me! Moving on. So, wait, I want to knock Granny back again. So, let's go! Oh, that I didn't do it good enough. We need to do it good. Multiplayer, please release. I want to be with the other cats. What? Okay. Alright, let's go. What? How? Oh my god, how, bro? How? Ah!